Okay, in this lesson, we are going to be talking about how to use a number line. Can everybody say number line? That is one of the main vocabulary terms for this lesson. You need to know about number lines. Okay, so this is a number line right here below. This is the number line. It's just a line with numbers of 1 through 20 on it. Okay, sometimes you can make your own number line or you can get one already filled in. Now, there's a few things that you need to know. When you use a number line, you can go forward. So you could go like this, 1, 2, 3, or you can go backwards, 1, 2, 3. So if you're going forward, then that means that you're adding, right? Put a plus sign that way. And if you're going this way, backwards on the number line, then that means that you are subtracting. Put a minus sign. That's something that you definitely need to know. So going that way is adding and going backwards is subtracting. Okay, that's the first thing you need to know. And then it's another key point that you need to know with this number line. You see what I made down here? Jumps. So these are jumps on the number line. This is how I'm going to do it. I think I want to get another color out, one that's more contrasting. I'll just make it thicker. Okay, I'll just get what I have thicker, but I'll keep this green. Okay, so I'm going to underline number line. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to start with a dot. This is how we're going to start on the number line. We're going to start with a dot. Can everybody say dot? Okay, this is where we're going to start at. And then we're going to make jumps like that. So the jumps is going to look like that. So these are the jumps. So this equals the dot, and this equals the jump. And then we're going to, the number that we land on, our sum, we're going to circle it like that. So this is going to indicate our answer. Okay? Now, you may wonder, why do we need all this? It's important because we need evidence. Can everybody say evidence? Okay, in math, whenever you solve a math problem, like if you have 7 plus 8, and sometimes your teacher might say that they want evidence of the answer. Well, I already know that 7 plus 8 is 15. But do I have any evidence how I solve that? I have none. I have no evidence right now. And the reason why I don't have any evidence is because I didn't show any work. So in math, you have to show evidence, which is showing your work. So I'm about to use the dots, the jumps, and the circles to show my evidence. I like to start at the highest number. So I'm going to put a dot right here at the 8. And then I'm going to go 7 jumps. 1, 2. Whoa. You see what just happened? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm going to circle my answer. And another thing you can do just to make sure you're accurate is count plus 1 right here. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now, this is showing evidence of your work. So they can't say that you cheated or you looked at somebody else's paper or you were like putting the answers somewhere and then popping up with the answers. If you have evidence that you solved it, then the teachers have to accept your answer as 15. So that's what we're going to practice on right now. We're going to practice on using our number line to solve these equations. Now let's try to get rid of this stuff that we used already. I should have had a couple number lines, but that's okay. I could just go back and erase. Okay, we're going to do one. Let's do 11 plus 8. Okay. This time I'm going to use some different colors. I want to use a red dot for my starting point. So I'm going to start at 11. Got the red dot. And then I want to use jumps with the red 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I want to go back to the green to actually circle my answer. Can't even see the green. Here it is. Okay. So I have 19 for my answer. Okay. Do you see how that works? That is how you use a number line to solve addition equations. We will work on subtracting on the number line too.